Welcome to our new channel, Vintage Bike Bird. I'm Julie. Some of you know me from my classic bike events, some of you don't. If it's got two wheels and it's old, it'll be on the channel. Let's see what's inside. This is my long-suffering husband, Rick.
Cup of tea, dear?
Oh, rather.
I'll get right on it.
Isn't he a treasure? Here we are in my garage. I've had lots of people saying, what bikes have you got? How many bikes have you got? I don't know how many bikes I've got. It's not that many. I've got about 20 classic bikes. I'm not sure. When people ask me how many I've got, I normally say not enough. So here's a 35 Triumph, model 40 Norton. This is a mystery bike. We will cover this later. The mystery bike, if you can tell me what it is. Well done. This is my lovely Kylie, my 1928 Velocette. And this one's under wraps. It's so special it's under wraps. That's enough of that. I've got my little green laner there, the Greaves. My Project A10, which has been languishing in the bad boys department for some years, and I really must get started on it. And this bike, I bought it, and then I did swapsies with my husband for the Scott. So we had a quick swap band of bikes there. So this is actually my long-suffering husband, Rick's bike. And that's up on the ramp. It's just had a replacement magneto fitted, so we should be getting that fired up soon. And then we've got my workshop in the back here. So here we are, we've got some projects in progress. This is a Norton that my husband is working on. This is a 29 Matchless, which I bought acquired many years ago, and it's a work in progress, but we're getting there. The bottom end is in the bike and we've got the top end here. And here's the engine for the A10 in the bad boys corner. And along the way, obviously we all accumulate bits because we need bits to keep our bikes on the road. Here we've got another project bike of Rick's, but you'll have to come back and watch for more details on the bikes. So that's enough about me. What's Vintage Bike Bird channel about? Well, I'm going to show you my favourite bikes. I'm going to visit other people and see their favourite bikes. We're going to go to events, not just my events, and I'm going to share my tips. And most importantly, we are going to go on ride outs. It'll be fun. Hope you like what you've seen so far. Do like and subscribe to the channel and let us know what you want to see in the comments. Cheerio.